Welcome to 504 Absolutely Essential Words. Hello everyone, this is Teacher JR from Camglish.com. What we're going to have for this episode is the continuation of Lesson 21. Here we're going to have 3 more words to look into, and after that, I'll be reading to you a passage wherein you can see all the 12 words we have learned in this lesson. And then I'll be showing you a picture and guess what word is being suggested by that picture. So, are you ready to start? So do I. So let's start with number 10 vocabulary, transmit. 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 This is a verb which means send over or pass on or pass along or let through. Garcia's message was transmitted to the appropriate people. Scientists can now transmit messages from space vessels to Earth. Our local radio station does not transmit broadcasts after midnight. Transmit. Number 11. Relieve. 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 This is a verb which means make less or make easier or reduce the pain of or replace or release or free. You can also say elevate. The pills revealed the pain from the wound I received in the conflict. A majority of the population wanted to relieve the major of his duty. The peace agreement relieved us of the threat of an attack. Relieve. And number 12, buffle. 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 This is a verb which means be too hard to understand or solve or puzzle. How so mediocre a player earned so much money baffled me. The topic of relativity is a baffling one. Sherlock Holmes would undoubtedly have been baffled by the way the crime was committed. Baffle. So let's review the 12 words. Plea. Weary. Collide. Confirm. Verify. Anticipate. Dilemma. Detour. Merit. Transmit. Relieve. Buffle. Now that we're done looking into the 12 vocabularies, this time we're going to have our words in use, wherein I'll be reading to you a passage and you'll see how the new words are being used. Safety in the air. The most persistent plea of weary pilots has always been for a machine that would warn them that they were about to collide with an oncoming airplane. Studies of landing patterns confirm that the number of collisions is increasing each year, and pilots verify hundreds of reports of near misses. Recently, a system that would electronically anticipate oncoming airplanes was devised, and the pilot's dilemma to dive or to climb, to detour to left or right may be solved. The system has merit though. only if every plane is equipped to transmit and receive a signal to and from an oncoming plane. But most aviation experts feel that only a system that watches every airplane in the sky will relieve a problem that tends to baffle everyone who attempts to find a solution. Let me read to you again the passage. Safety in the air. The most persistent plea of weary pilots has always been for a machine that would warn them that they were about to collide with an oncoming airplane. Studies of landing patterns confirm that the number of collisions is increasing each year, and pilots verify hundreds of reports of near misses. Recently, a system that would electronically anticipate oncoming airplanes was devised, and the pilot's dilemma to dive or to climb, to detour to left or right, may be solved. The system has merit though, only if every plane is equipped to transmit and receive a signal to and from an oncoming plane. But most aviation experts feel that only if a system that watches every airplane in the sky will relieve a problem that tends to baffle everyone who attempts to find a solution. This time, let's have picture it. So look at the picture carefully and guess which of the words we have is suggested by the picture. So you can see here two pairs of feet. This must be bicycles. So what do you think is the word that is being suggested by this picture? Alright, so this picture suggests the word collide. So that's it for today's episode. I'll see you again guys for another episodes on 504 words. Till then, bye.